Okay, so ladies, in this work, when you're looking for GCFs, you're looking for common terms, greatest common factor, common. All right? So ladies, what if we had this? What if in one term we had factor x minus y, and if in the other term we had the factor y minus x? Are those related to each other in some way? Can we turn one into the other? Yes, Tyler? I hear you see the nod.
Yeah, because it might.
Go ahead.
Because can't the x's and y's cancel out because one's positive and the other one's negative?
Well, I think what you're saying is that this is the opposite of that. Okay? So this baby is really the opposite of x minus y. Now, do we have a common factor in each of these two terms? Yes. Okay, granted there's a minus sign out in front, but we can always include that in a GCF for that term, right? All right. So, but let's just check to make sure this is right. All right. So, guys, the minus operating on x minus y, okay, takes the opposite of everything inside. So it would be minus of the x is minus x. There's a minus x there. A minus of a minus y makes it a plus y, and that's a plus y. So does everybody agree that this is exactly equal to that? Yes. Okay. So, ladies, let's take a look at this. All right? Okay, ladies, do we see any relationship between these two groupings in parentheses? They're opposites. Ah, so that means I can replace this baby by minus of m minus n, right? So now I've got an m minus n here and an m minus n here. All right, so guys, now eyes up here. Okay, so to replace the n minus m, I have to replace it by minus of the m minus n, meaning that that sign, that minus sign, has to be combined with that sign. So a minus and a plus gives me a minus. All right, so I can rewrite this jobby now as 7m minus n minus p times m minus n. So that minus, the m minus n comes down, and the minus changes that plus to a minus, and then we've got, all right, and now, what do I do next, ladies? What do I do next? What is the GCF? So my GCF now is m minus n, and what's my residue?
7 minus p.
7 minus p. And of course we have to check to make sure we get back to our original stuff. So, how was that, ladies? Is that totally awesome? Okay, so now, ladies, what I want you to do is turn in your notes to page 53, and you'll Oh, so you ladies did beautifully. All right. All right. So ladies, okay, here we have this job to factor. All right. And we see a grouping x minus y and a grouping y minus x. So is there any relation between those? They're opposites. Ah. So what can I replace y minus x by?
Minus y minus x.
Minus x minus the quantity x minus y. Okay? So minus the quantity x minus y. All right? And so now, ladies, what does that minus in front do to the plus that's already in front of that grouping?
It makes it a minus.
It turns it into a minus. So it becomes minus y x minus y. So the y stays the same, all right? That sign changes to a minus of a plus, changes into a minus, okay? And then we have the x minus y the same. All right, so we have 2x, x minus y. Great. All right, so what's my GCF here, ladies?
X minus y.
GCF equals x minus y. We write that down first. X minus y, okay? And then residue is 2x minus y. And you ladies all did beautifully.